In this video, I will show you how to check for hidden messages in Messenger. To get started, open up the Messenger app on your phone. Next, tap on the menu button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will bring up various options related to your account and settings. From this menu, select Archive. Here's where things get interesting. You'll now see all your archived conversations. Archived conversations are those that have been hidden from your main chat list. If you've accidentally archived a conversation or simply wanted to keep it out of sight for a while, this is where they reside. For instance, if you had an important chat with a friend but didn't want it cluttering your main feed, archiving allows you to keep it without deleting it permanently. To unarchive any conversation and bring it back into your main chat list, simply tap and hold on the desired chat. An option will appear allowing you to unarchive it. Once unarchived, this conversation will reappear in your main list just like before. Now let's explore another way to check for hidden messages, through message requests. Return to the menu. Look for message requests. This section holds messages from people who aren't in your contacts. When someone sends you a message but isn't connected with you on Facebook or Messenger, their message gets filtered into this request folder instead of appearing directly in your inbox. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.